Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your place to learn English through simple stories and real life situations. Today, we have a special story because Independence Day is just around the corner. Since 15th August is a national holiday, Anya school is celebrating it a day early. So let's see what happens on this special morning. Let's begin. It was 14th August and Anya's school looked completely different. The school building was decorated with small Indian flags, balloons, and flowers. Students were excited because the school was celebrating Independence Day a day early. Anya arrived at school earlier than usual. She was wearing a small tricolor badge on her uniform. As soon as she entered the school gate, she saw her best friend Mira. Mira smiled and said, "Good morning, you are early today." Anya laughed. "I know, I didn't want to miss the celebration." They walked towards the school ground. Some students were practicing a dance, others were preparing for a short play. A group of students were decorating the stage. Anya looked around and said, "Everyone is so busy." Mira replied, "Yes, the program starts in 30 minutes." Soon, all the students gathered in the school ground. The celebration began with the flag hoisting ceremony. Everyone stood quietly and respectfully. Then the national anthem was played. After that, the students presented different performances. There was a patriotic song, a short skit, and a group dance. Anya and Mira enjoyed every performance. After the program, they sat together under a tree. Mira asked, "Which performance did you like the most?" Anya thought for a moment and said, "I liked the dance, but I really enjoyed the skit." Mira nodded, "Same here." They talked for a few minutes. Then Anya looked at the little tricolor badge on her uniform. She smiled and said, "You know, tomorrow is actually Independence Day." Mira nodded. "Yes, today was our school celebration, but tomorrow is the actual national holiday." Anna smiled. "I am glad we celebrated it together." The school day ended with everyone receiving sweets. As Anya walked home, she looked back at the decorated school building. It had been a short celebration, but it had made the day feel special. And tomorrow, on 15th August, the whole country will celebrate Independence Day. Okay, let's see how carefully you listened. When did Anya school celebrate Independence Day? And you have to complete this two sentence. I didn't want to dash the celebration. Which dash did you like the most? Now, Anya said, "I didn't want to miss the celebration." We use "I didn't want to miss" when something is important or interesting to us. For example, "I didn't want to miss the movie." "I didn't want to miss the train." "I didn't want to miss the opportunity." Now, next, Mira asked, "Which performance did you like the most?" You can use this after a movie, trip, event, concert, or celebration. Which song did you like the most? Which place did you like the most? Like that. Got it? I hope you enjoyed this little Independence Day story and learned some useful English along the way. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And happy Independence Day!